It's cold.
It's so windy.
So the walk back with the wind in our face is gonna suck.
All right, right there, right here.
Wait, get a shot of this, guys? This shows, I'm not joking when I say we are literally camping on ice.
Are we gonna fall through?
No way.
Here.
It's super thick. It's too cold.
Can I try it?
Yeah. So the idea is not to push hard down. Let the blades cut.
Here, Tariq, come over here.
I can't see. It's too windy. How thick is this ice?
Hopefully not that thick. We're about to find out though.